Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to send you a very big welcome. And if you're one of my 12-gallon cup drinkers, welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my latest videos. I need to get the sweet potato casserole going for the holidays, so all hands are on deck. Even Brother Bear is helping out today. I think he's gonna have to be our taste tester. So before we get things going, I am going to let you know the ingredients, and like always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Right now I have my water heating so that I can boil my sweet potatoes, and then I have my oven that I will set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My first ingredient will be 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 slightly beaten eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter. It's not melted now, I'll be melting it when I'm ready. And then I have 1 cup of brown sugar, so you'll need your sweet potatoes of course, but I use anywhere between 4.5 cups to 6 cups of sweet potatoes. 8 ounces of marshmallows, a little less or a little bit more than that. It just depends on your preference. And you can start at a cup of chopped pecans. I honestly like a lot more than that, so I always add more than that to my recipe. Now you can start at 1 cup for you, and that might be all that you want. So you could just stick with that. You're gonna need some spray, some cooking spray, so that you can spray down whatever you're gonna be serving up your dish in. Thanks for stopping by to cook with me today. I'm not generally a big fan of sweet potatoes. Growing up, I never liked the sweet potato casserole. I just don't like sweet potatoes, period. I really love that part about cooking for myself, is that it's tailor-made. Or else I end up going to the restaurant and being too picky. But I know Papa Bear likes sweet potato casserole, so I decided I was gonna try to make it one year. And after that, I really liked it. I think what happens is people tend to make the sweet potato casserole too sweet for my liking. But since I made it, and I made it to my liking, I loved it. This is what 4 large sweet potatoes looks like when it becomes mashed potatoes. So I'm going to scoop this into my bowl. Ooh, that was easy. I'm going to add my milk, my 1 cup of sugar, my white sugar, the lightly beaten eggs, I'm gonna add my 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then my 1/2 cup of softened butter, which is also 1 stick. Just keep in mind that when you cut up your potatoes, it's gonna be a different measurement from when you actually mash them up. Ta-da! This is what I'm going to be using to bake it in. So I'm going to begin to scoop my sweet potatoes into my baking dish after I've sprayed it. This smells so good. Delish! I have a bigger dish like this that I'm going to be preparing for Thanksgiving tomorrow, and this will be our own personal dish to keep here at home to have with our leftovers, because this is Papa Bear's favorite dish of the whole Thanksgiving bunch. Which again is why I wanted to learn how to make it. And that I did. I know some people use pecans, some people use the pecans and brown sugar, and some people use the marshmallows. I do both. In this bowl is where I'm going to begin to mix up everything to go on top. So my brown sugar, flour, and now I'm gonna go melt my butter. This should only take a minute to melt the whole stick, and I'm gonna put a paper towel over it just so it doesn't splash everywhere. Okay, so let me mix this up real quick. My flour and my brown sugar, my light brown sugar. I'm gonna add in my butter because what we're doing is we're creating a crumble. Now I'm going to add in some pecans. I need more pecans, because that's how I like it. What I'm gonna do here is add this on top. I'm gonna pop this into the oven for 25 minutes, and then in the last 5 minutes, I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit of marshmallows. I'm not gonna overdo it because it already has the brown sugar on it. So like I said in the beginning, I don't like mine extra sweet. But if you're gonna be preparing this ahead of time, then don't bother with the marshmallows until you're ready to eat it. "25 minutes are up and it's really hot. Time to put on the marshmallows." Again, not too much unless you like it like that. And then only put them in for 5 minutes. And then a little, ooh, score. Because I'm a cool mom.
Can I have one marshmallow?
Just one. Here you go. Some for sisters. Maybe just a little bit more. I think that's good. Okay. Back in the oven for 5 minutes. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. Ooh, can't wait to eat it. Yummy, 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 yummy. I had to make the cubs their own little version for now so that they can get that for dinner tonight. Thank y'all for stopping by to cook with me. I hope you enjoy. This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!